Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how I get down, I get straight to the point. All right, our business offers one-on-one consultations. We want to help other businesses get where they need to go. We have 3 tiers in our consultation. We have a half an hour tier if the person is an expert and they just need the documents or explanation of documents. We have that tier. We have another tier if the person is in the middle and they're trying to do better on their business, and we'll give them sound advice of the 30-something years of our experience, and we'll do whatever it is to get that, whatever the questions needs to be answered. We also have a third tier if you just are scared or you don't know what to do or the proper paperwork or some of the terms. We're not lawyers, but we'll just speak upon the things that you completely need, like documents, being an LLC, website, this or that, some of the things that work for us, some of the failures that we want you to avoid, because going gun-ho in something that you don't know nothing about, it can cost you a lot of money. You don't want to go bankrupt. You don't want to, lose everything you got. I want to give you my experience that gets you in the direction that you need and that you want to be in. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, the consultation is on themobilemechanic757.com, themobilemechanic757.com. You can go to the website, you can schedule one, and I'll be more than happy to help you to get you where you need to go. I want you to go from beer money to champagne money. And that's just what I want to help to happen and want in your life. Have a great day. Bye.